Hi there, CAMTASIA. I'm Mona, the senior mission intel agent on this case. I will provide you with the intel in this operation.
Greetings, Mona. Pleased to meet you.
Liu.
Way long.
Oh, well, if it isn't the great Detective CAMTASIA. To what do I owe this pleasant surprise? I'm sure you didn't come all this way just to see our little holiday celebration.
This reporter's name is Lisbeth.
Hot.
She disappeared 2 days ago.
It's too bad I never got to see her with my own eyes. Did any of you see her?
Never saw her, boss.
You hear that? Now if there's nothing else, piss off.
Her co-workers say that you're the last person she interviewed.
I said you can piss off.
You may have heard. We're investigating a murder involving several of your people. If you don't cooperate, I can move this up the chain. Then come back with a search warrant and take you down. If we do it that way, I'm afraid your extravagant parade of Panate might hit a few snags.
Screw you! You think you can threaten me on my own turf? Don't think I forgot about our grudge from 5 years ago. Who do you think you are? You're just a petty detective. What the hell are you all looking at? Put the word out. Whoever kills him gets a 500K reward.
You motherfucker!
Lost a man!
So close!
Fucking idiot!
Don't shoot. CAMTASIA.
A robot? Why do you know me?
I'm a cyborg, actually. The name's Funk, and I'm a black market dealer. I know Dave Ray from your office.
You know Dave? How?
I have a store at the North Plateau Market of Dragon City. Dave pays me occasional visits to buy a few weapon chips or parts you can't get from the open market.
Well, North Huaqiang is the place for chips, circuitry, and other electronic parts. Techie like him who just arrived at Dragon City must feel as though he's hit a gold mine.
You motherfucker!
Man down! Man down!
My arm!
This fucking hurts! Man down! Damn, that's brutal! Take up! Fucking mofo! Someone's hurt! My arm! Let's go! You mother! We just lost the dude!
Cool ass brutality.
Eat this! Fuck him! We just... Nice one! Careful! Nice